All right, I'm Braiden from Ayers Basement Systems. We're working on encapsulation today. We prepped the area, just so we're not getting any mud or any bits of insulation anywhere. We're gonna be putting some Foamax against the wall. And then right here is about a 250, 300 square foot crawl, putting down some drainage matting, and then there'll be a insulation foam liner over that TerraBlock as well. We've drilled some loopholes in there just to kind of relieve any water pressure. The guys are just getting ready to slide this piece over, kind of form around the pillars here. We'll be wrapping the walls as well, and then we'll be putting up a new insulation. We pulled all the old rim joist insulation. We're gonna be putting in Sedona at the end, just to kind of help with any humidity in there. This wood was pretty damp, so he's just getting his work done. He's been kind of wanting to do it for a while. It was really just gross in there, a lot of nuts from squirrels, so this is kind of a dual purpose, help with the humidity, insulation, and then also any critters kind of come through this joist. So.